We just got here. We just got to barber school. Man, I don't know why the cops are over there. I wonder what's happened. They on bullshit again. Another day. Motherfuckers. Hey, who got there? Who's that? I'm gonna see y'all inside, okay? Alright, we're here. This is the setup I'm rocking with today. Prodigies. We got a 0 gap on though. So I got this right here. Alright, I'm gonna go get some breakfast because I'm starving. Let's go.
Come on. Pump it up, pump it up, pump it up.
So you driving?
I can if you want me to.
Angel, you want to make down right now?
Yeah.
Alright, can I go?
No, no, I'm just kidding. Yeah.
One of these two.
One of these.
Which one y'all driving now?
Those goes. Louis, you're driving.
Hey, what? I need to take these here.
Bro, I don't know what's going on with that, bro. This shit is irritating the fuck out of me. You see this shit?
This motherfucker got a stripe on his
No,
head.
like, yeah, bro, I got a fucking stripe right here from the fucking do-rag. That shit's blowing the fuck out of me. Make me look like I got gray hair and shit, my scalp all.
You didn't have gray hair?
Huh?
Alright.
You didn't have gray hair? What?
Shotgun.
I don't know what's up with you when you shot that shit, but that shit's dead.
He said that shit dead as hell.
That shit's dead.
Nigga, the lows of shotgun don't matter.
That's it.
If the lows of shotgun.
Like, you pay extra for a bad bitch on the side?
Nigga, this is not a
God.
fucking whorehouse.
It's not about that, bro. It's about the fucking customer service.
It's not about
Can you imagine how happy you would be? You pull up to McDonald's. They
Fucking Eli.
So
Fuck that
good.
nigga Eli.
can only do 2 orders. We already know this shit, bro.
I'm gonna show you how to make the most fire sandwich from McDonald's. Boom. Okay, cool. She said you want to run to add to this morning. Yo.
You got my shirt and stuff?
Yeah.
They actually gave me more than I asked for.
For real?
Yeah, they gave me two. They gave me two
They came up.
hash browns. I ain't asked for 2.
Let me give him.
No, I think they gave me 2.
Boom. Fire.
Here you go, dirty Eli.
I'm gonna get 1,700 calories in by breakfast.
Yeah, right. Cause my stuff was like $2.
Nah, you ain't gotta deal with that.
Tell me you gonna say that.
Yeah.
Eli, your shit was $6.19.
So right now, we're doing a back taper on Andrew.
Nah, I know he's right. I just want to be right in spirit.
Right under that callus.
Okay, so right now.
Get rid of the rest.
English dub, let's see what language you're speaking in.
Going to shaver.
This shit got a lot of filler?
Nah, ain't got not one.
Nah, one.
See, he just walked away.
I usually do
Back
this.
in prison now.
Oh, God.
Let's get it on camera. What is it? It's a brand new. What the fuck are you doing? You know, dull as shit on my blade, bro. What the fuck?
You gotta get a nose.
Alright. His got a gap. It's about to die. Alright.
Hey, Louis.
Yo.
Here, grow back, you're young. And
Miss YB, no, it wasn't right.
Here, be back in little no
He
time.
ruined a good cup, Miss YB.
Is that what?
So your dog. Oh yeah, it's just awful.
There's literally hair.
Literally, the customers come in,
It's gonna grow back thicker.
ask me something.
It's gonna go back thicker and dark.
You're gonna have to get this regularly done.
Ew, stop.
Every time you get the back tapered
Every
out,
time
you
she
gotta get
hit,
shaved.
every time she hit what she don't want to hear, she be ooh stuff.
I remember Simpsons, Smithers, and Smithers. Hey, that could be somebody's intro.
But now, Jose, when I get right here,
Fucking Eli.
what y'all talking about when I do like this?
That's my boy right there,
The
man.
whole thing.
That's my boy Corey.
I do it 'cause, like the ears, like that.
Joseph, this is the crew, man. His and hers crew, man. Fidel over there. Jose.
You should change your name.
This is the motherfucking crew.
He like the yo.
Orderly.
Infidelity.
You gotta make it.
Got the magic clips gang. Jose again. Cutting again. He's in every video. Oh shit. That's funny as hell.